Hey y'all, my bag that I sent to Louis Vuitton for repairs just came in the mail and I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys what I got done. So I sent my mini Speedy HL that I got from Japanese eBay. I sent it to Louis Vuitton for repairs. The bag was actually really good. The only thing that was missing was the leather tab, and so that is what I got replaced. It came in this box and I was fortunate enough to get the box as well. I do see that some people don't get the box, they only get a dust bag or like they get a plain box, but I luckily got the box. When you open it, it has my receipt and it also has a note, but I'll show you the bag first before I show you anything else. They did also give me a dust bag, and here is my mini Speedy HL. This is the new tab that they put on there. They did let me know that it will be lighter than the rest of the bag, which makes sense because this is like a brand new Vaqueta leather and this is like well aged. But yeah, overall it was a really great experience. It was very fast too. So I'm just gonna run you guys through everything. This is the note, and then I have my receipt. Oh, you guys probably might want to know how much it costs. Okay, so quickly running through everything that I did. It's a very simple process. All you have to do is make sure that you have the Louis Vuitton app downloaded, and then you're gonna request a repair. They will let you know that there are a few ways that you can do that. You can either schedule a phone call or a video call or communicate through email. I chose email. That was much easier for me. So with email, a care specialist will message you and they will pretty much ask you to send photos of your item. So I think you're supposed to send about 7 total. So for me it was pretty easy. I took 7 photos and then I messaged them and I said, I'm just missing the leather tab, and so I just want that replaced. And so by doing that, they responded back. They said it was going to be $50 to repair, and then they also let me know that there was a lead time or a repair time of 6 weeks. They sent me a shipping label, and then I just wrapped my bag up, put it in a box, slapped the label on there, dropped it off at UPS, and then after that it was just a matter of waiting for the bag. So I can go into the app and see the processes that the bag has moved along, the communication that we had to me shipping the bag to the bag being received at the specialist center, and then letting me know that they have received the bag, they're working on the bag, the repair is complete. And then once the repair is complete, they will send you information to make your payment. After you make your payment, that is when they will ship the bag to you. And it was so fast, you guys. Honestly, mine took about 4 weeks, but it was mostly because I took a little bit of time responding back because I wasn't checking my emails. Also, I started the process on a weekend, so I had to wait until the following business day for them to respond. So that is also something to consider. But let's say if you start the process on a Monday, it might be like much faster than mine. I started on like a Friday or a Saturday. But yeah, that is basically the entire process. It's super easy, very great experience. I will definitely be doing this again. Actually, I already sent a bag in yesterday. So the pochette accessoire that I got, I already sent it in. So we'll see when that arrives as well. Hopefully it is a great experience as this one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.